is the sound of my biggest Indian prayer bowl, which I love deeply. What I'm doing is striking the prayer bowl and then using my ring to catch the edge of it to interrupt the vibration of the bowl and just sort of sit in that resonance. This is from a film called Shiloh by Vanessa Ghazi, which I've shared with you before, but I was doing a lot of experimental things on this film, so I wanted to come back to it. The film is a sort of existential exploration of self and identity, and the main character travels back in time to her own conception. So I wanted to create this sort of meditative sense of displacement, and I needed to capture that sense of the uncanny. So that's what this sound was perfect for. This is how it ended up.